Hello guys, if you're looking for the best AI tools to build a Shopify store in minutes, meet Storebuild AI, an AI-powered platform that claims to automate store creation with zero coding and minimal effort. But is it really worth it? In this detailed Storebuild.ai review, we'll cover how Storebuild AI works, key features and AI capabilities, pros and cons, and pricing and alternatives, and giving the final verdict whether is it worth using. Let's dive in. So, what is Storebuild.ai? Storebuild.ai is an AI-powered Shopify store builder that automates the entire process of store creation, product listing, and design. With just few clicks, it can generate a fully functional Shopify store in minutes. It can auto-create product descriptions, images, and categories. It can optimize SEO settings and branding, and integrate with Shopify for instant setup. Sounds impressive, right? But how well does it actually work? Now, we'll learn how Storebuild.ai works. So, using Storebuild.ai is incredibly simple. Just sign up and connect Shopify. Go to Storebuild.ai, create an account, then click Create New Store. Then, connect to Shopify account or create one if you don't have it. Now, enter your store name and select business category, for example, fashion, tech, or home decor, and AI will generate a custom store layout, product pages, and images for you. The store is automatically optimized for SEO and mobile-friendly design. Now you can fine-tune the theme, branding, and payment settings in Shopify, adding additional pages like About Us, Contact, etc. and click Go Live to start selling. Time required is less than 5 minutes. Now, key features of Storebuild.ai includes AI-powered store content creation that will fully automate your Shopify store setup, auto-generated product listing that uses AI writing descriptions and adding images, SEO optimization that will help rank products on Google, pre-designed templates that you can choose from professional store layouts, and instant Shopify integration that you can directly connect to Shopify for a seamless experience. But is it really the best AI store builder? Let's weigh the pros and cons. So, the pros include super fast store setup that takes just minutes, AI generated product descriptions and images, beginner friendly that requires no coding, and time saving automation for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Now, cons include limited design customizations because you may need manual tweaks, AI generated descriptions that might need edits for uniqueness, and pricing isn't the cheapest compared to some other Shopify builders. So, Storebuild.ai offers various pricing plans, but the cost depends on features like number of stores, automation level, and integration. So, is it worth the price? If you want speed and automation, it's great investment. So now I'm going to give you the final verdict whether Storebuild.ai is the best AI Shopify builder. The answer is yes if you want a quick AI-powered store setup, maybe not if you need full creative control over design. Overall, Storebuild.ai is one of the best AI store builders available today. If you're an entrepreneur looking to launch an e-commerce store quickly, it's definitely worth trying. Would you use AI to build your Shopify store? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe for more AI tool reviews.